Hey, welcome. I'm so excited to be here today with Consumer Reports. And if you're unfamiliar with the Consumer Reports brand, they've been around since 1936. And what they do is provide unbiased reviews and testing. And I'm going to be talking today with Rich Handel, who is a senior test project leader in the laundry machine, laundry detergents, and cleaning space. Hey, Rich.
Hey, Melissa, how are you?
Rich, we know people make laundry mistakes all across the board. Where do you see the biggest mistakes in the laundry routine?
Before you even put the load in the machine, separate your clothes by weight, by color. You don't want to put your heavyweight items with the lightweight items. And also take a look at the labels.
So, detergent dosing, this
Sure.
is something that I know a lot of folks struggle with, and it's hard to get a good answer on this.
More detergent is not better. It can be worse. It can leave a residue on your clothes, and then your clothes could attract dirt because that residue is there. We always suggest about a shot glass of detergent, which is
Oh,
1.5 ounces or 3 tablespoons.
I've experienced over time when I pre treat stains, I get better results, so I don't have to use as much detergent. What are your thoughts on pre treating?
Definitely have to pre-treat those stains. You don't have to buy a special spot treater. You can, but you can use the highly rated detergents to treat those. Just rub a little in, let it work its way in, let it sit for 5 minutes, and put it in the wash. The important thing, and I know you know this too, is when you take that item out that you pre-treated, take a look at it before you put it in the dryer. When you put it in the dryer, you have the potential to set that stain.
Yeah, you
I'm not saying you can't remove it, but it'll make it a lot more difficult to get it out. So let it air dry.
And let's talk about hot water, cold water. I have been converted to cold water washing. I've been doing it now for years.
Just using hot water and not like a sanitized cycle, it's not really sanitizing anything, but psychologically it makes you feel better. But for the most part, cold water is fine. The detergents of today are made to work in cold water.
So, what is your laundry product regimen?
I have a top rated detergent and I have some stain removers. I don't use softener. I believe it's a waste of money and you could skip it. It leaves a residue on your clothing. It can reduce the absorption of towels. No dryer sheets. The dryer sheets can put a residue on the moisture sensor. So I just skip all that.
And I know that you're constantly working on this. So, if people want to learn more about your work and Consumer Reports, where can they learn more about this? Where can they find you?
Yeah, you can access our ratings, cleaning recommendations, products and tips, and advice at cr.org/spring cleaning.
And Rich, you were generous enough to offer my audience a coupon code. So, for anyone who's watching, if you want to save $10 a year on an annual subscription, which is extremely reasonably priced given how much money it'll save you, you can visit the website and you can use code Melissa10 at checkout.